Well, it's nearly 10 months after the storm. Many people in Bay County still looking for a place to live. But new funding coming into the county is aiming to help give residents a home. At Tuesday's Bay County Commission meeting, commissioners approving the Hurricane Housing Recovery Program funding agreement with the Florida Housing Finance Corporation. Bay County will be receiving a little over $28 million from the Florida legislature, and Panama City gets $8 million. The funds will be available through the county's local housing assistance plan. Bay County Commissioner Bill Dozier says they are going to think outside the box with this money so they can help as many people as they can.
This money is going to be used to help people secure a home and to have an affordable home so they can stay in our area, work in our area, and raise a family.
Commissioners are still working out the details with the funding allocations. Those who wish to receive help from the funding will need to qualify under Bay County's local housing assistance